Hi guys, I already cleansed and deep conditioned my client's hair off camera. Then I applied the Osmo Dual Action Miracle Repair Spray. This lady mainly styles her hair straight with heat by herself at home almost every day. I decided to roller set her hair instead of blow drying because of the heat damage already incurred. To prepare for the roller set, I part her hair in 2 sections. For this type of roller set, I like to use Stohr Rollers because, like a brush, they have small teeth that grip onto the hair, allowing me to detangle and drag with pressure. As I was working through her hair, some parts of her hair started to get dry, so I sprayed her hair with water to get it moist again. Like I said before, this lady prefers to wear her hair straight, so she heat styles it most days. If you keep on watching, you'll see how applying heat every day has slightly altered her curl pattern. The next few clips really show how the roots of her hair is a slightly different texture to the ends of her hair. The roots appear to be more thick and the curls tighter than the ends. After applying the rollers to her hair, I then placed her underneath the hood dryer for 30 minutes on high heat.
저기 해야 돼. 좋아.
The roller set stretched out her hair nicely, so I decided to go straight into the trimming. When doing silk presses, I usually prefer to trim hair after the blow drying process. As her hair is not one length, I added in extra layers. This unified her hair, allowing the short lengths of the front and the sides to blend in without compromising the longer lengths at the back. As I'm blow drying, I'm focusing on the roots of her hair as they are thicker than her ends. The hairdryer that I'm using is the Diva Pro Ultima 5000. With each client, I offer a tailored service. Afro hair comes in many forms, so although I have some staple things that I do on most of my clients, it all depends on the individual's hair and their goals. as you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy the end. But just before I go, please do remember to leave a comment under this video, share this video with your friends and on your social media platforms, like the video, and if you're on Instagram, follow me at Jennifer Cynthia Hair, and I will see you in my next one.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute. Stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve wearing that skirt up and